Good afternoon. This is Mrs. Hoyt, the Future Ready Coach at Bettendorf High School. I'm looking forward to working with you over the next 3 years as we explore your interests, career clusters, goals, and plan for your future. Before you get started today, I wanted to share with you the bigger picture of ICAP, or Individual, Career, and Academic Planning. Together, we will explore your interests and career clusters and do some specific career searching, all to build your future. As a staff, your administration, teachers, counselors, and myself believe in you. We also believe it is very important for you to start exploring things that interest you and career clusters sooner rather than later. By doing this, we hope to connect you with the amazing futures you have ahead of you in interactive and fun ways. But here's the thing, we can only do that if you're on board. You need to be excited about what's ahead, engage in the activities we ask you to do, ask questions, and tell us what other ways you would like to explore careers, because in the end, we are doing this for you and for your future. Your sophomore year is dedicated to exploring the 16 different career clusters. Career clusters take the 79 plus career pathways and group them together to help you find what you're interested in. During this year, we will introduce you to each cluster. Please keep in mind, this is an introduction. We are not asking you to decide the rest of your future today. If you do start finding areas that interest you, that's great. But have no fear, we have time to keep exploring if not. In fact, your junior year, we will focus in on what cluster interests you and help you explore what you might like to do in that cluster. Then, by senior year, we will take the steps to help you be successful on that post-secondary track. Last month, you got to explore 5 of the 16 career clusters at John Deere Career Day. Those clusters were marketing, or planning, managing, and performing marketing activities to reach organization objectives, business management and administration, careers in planning, organizing, directing, and evaluating business functions essential to the efficient and productive business operations, finance, planning, services for financial and investment planning, banking, insurance, and business financial management, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM, which is planning, managing, and providing scientific research and professional and technical services, including laboratory and testing services and research and development services. And last, manufacturing, planning, managing, and performing the processing of materials into intermediate or final products and related professional and technical support activities such as production planning and control, maintenance, and manufacturing. Today, we are going to explore the remaining 11 clusters, and you are going to get the chance to become the class expert and share important information with your classmates. Those remaining clusters are agriculture, food, and natural resources, architecture and construction, arts, AV technology and communications, education and training, government and public administration, health science, hospitality and tourism, human services, information technology, law, public safety, corrections and security, and transportation, distribution, and logistics. Your advisor will now give you directions for uploading specific reflections from your John Deere Career Day. After that, they will explain our Career Hunt activity. Please be respectful of this short amount of time we have together. Listen closely and engage with your classmates. I'm counting on you to take control of your future starting today. Have a great advisory, sophomores.